Hi, welcome. It's Elke Scholz, and I'm here to welcome you to the monthly Zoom Energy Rich sessions. So it's something that I had always wanted. I always wanted to connect with the facilitator and check in, ask questions, see how other people were doing. So this is your opportunity. It's only $49. I just made it super inexpensive because I really wanted to make it an offering and not a hardship. You can participate any way that you like. So you can come in anonymously, you can come in with your own name or a pseudonym, whatever is comfortable for you. You can type your questions in the chat if you like. So, depending on the number of people, and so far we'll just have an open mic and yeah, we'll connect. And it's always been a positive thing to do this feedback when I've done it live in groups. It's just been so inspiring when other people share the changes that they've made and their energy shift, and also all the individual questions and this collective wisdom that we have. So I'm really happy to serve. So remember to register. So pay, whether it's easier for you, PayPal or your credit card. It's only $49 and it's a drop in. So if you want to come every month, you're more than welcome to. It starts, it's every Tuesday, first Tuesday of every month, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for an hour and a half, and I will be there live. And yeah, happy to serve you, excited to hear your stories, and happy to support you. So remember to register. And like I said, it was only $49. I just made it so it was super, super easy. Okay, take care. See you soon. Bye.